Hello guys, I am Roosevelt, and in this video, we'll be learning how to design a photography flyer in Adobe Photoshop. So without wasting much time, let's get started. I have my worksheet here, and then the size of the worksheet is 2000 pixels by 2000 pixels. Now let's add some guides. So go to View, Guide, and select New Guide Layout. Over here, check the margin, set the top margin to 0, set the left margin to 200, set the bottom margin to 0, and then set the right margin to 200 and click on OK. So we start by importing our model's image and then we will resize it. Let's import our model's image. Press Ctrl C, copy, go back to the main worksheet and then press Ctrl V to paste. Now press Ctrl T and resize the model's image. You can use any image that you want, but then I'll be going with this particular image over here. So I'll put it to the right side. Something like this is okay for me. Right click and select the rectangular marquee tool over here and make a selection of this part of the model's image. Now press Ctrl J to cut it out. So this is the cutout part. Right click and convert it to smart objects. Press Ctrl T and let's resize it. Hold down the shift key to resize it. So resize it, something like this is okay. Now add a layer mask. Select your gradient tool and then make sure that the top part is on basic. So make sure this side starts from black and then ends with white. Put down the shift key. Let's click and hold it, then drag to the right side a little bit. So something like this is okay. Once you are done, click here, go to Filter, Blur, and select Gaussian Blur. Set the radius to 40 and click on OK. Nice. So this is looking good. Now let's import our pattern. Before that, let me delete the model's image. So here is the pattern. Press Ctrl C to copy. Go back to the main worksheet and then press Ctrl Shift V to paste in place. Press Ctrl T and resize the pattern. So something like this is okay. And then the pattern is covering the model's image. So what we do is that we reduce the opacity of our pattern. So let's set the opacity of our pattern to 3. Yes, so 3 is okay. And then let's change the blend mode of our pattern from normal to luminosity. Something like this, okay. Now click on FX, go to blending options, and let's change this side. So I'm coming. Let's change the blending options over there. To hold down your Alt key, left click and hold this side and then drag to the left side. So I think something like this is okay. So let's go with 135 over here. Hold down the Alt key once again. Left click and hold this side and then drag it to the right side. So with that one, let's go with something like 26. Yeah, this is okay. Now click on OK over here. So we have this nice pattern in our design. So let's reduce the opacity once again. So let's go with 2. Oh no, let's maintain the 3. Nice. So this is looking good. Select these 3 layers. Press Ctrl G to group them, and then let's name them background as region. Perfect. Now that we are done adding our pattern, our model's image, we have to add our text next. But then before we add the text, let's clear some part of the pattern. So with the patterns layer selected, add a layer mask, select your brush tool, make sure that the foreground color is set to black, and then let's clear this part of the pattern. So let's make sure that the pattern isn't showing on our model's image. So let's go with something like this. Yeah, this something like this. Okay, let me try and then close some gaps over here. Nice. Now this is okay. Let's close our group and then we can add our text. So select the type tool and click on, select the type tool. Let's add our text. So add one guide. Let's click and hold in the ruler and then drag it. Let's say with yours you can't find the ruler. Let's see, yours looks like this. To make the ruler active, just press Ctrl plus R. Let's click in the ruler and then let's drag the line. So let's place a line here. Click here and then let's add our text. So we start by adding photo. Let's go with photo and then shoot will be beneath it. So photo shoot. Yeah, this is okay. Let me change the text color to white. Something like this, okay. And then I want a TikTok font, so I'll be going with a font called Helvetica. So let's go with Helvetica. Let's go with okay. Helvetica condensed black regular. And then let's make everything caps. We set the size to 95.25 and then drag it to the left side. Let's set this side to, let's say, 68.67. No, I think that's too much. Let's reduce the space between each letters is okay. No, I think they are close to each other. So let's change this side to -30. And then let's reduce this one. Like this. Okay. Let's align it very well. Press Ctrl T, resize the text. Like this, okay. Okay, now let's push it down a little bit. So we have our main text, that's photo shoot. Our main text is ready. I'll add another guide over here. Let me push the model's image down. Let me hold these two layers and then push it down. Let's maintain it. Let's maintain the position. And then let's push the photo shoot text down. Let's add another guide here. We have a guide here. Let's align it to the lady's hair. With this one, we will import the logo. I'll close this one. Press Ctrl C to copy the logo. Go back to my main worksheet and then press Ctrl V to paste. Now press Ctrl T and resize the logo. Let me place the logo somewhere here. And then push the photo shoot text up. I'll select the logos layer, press Ctrl G and then name it logo. This is okay. I have my photo shoot text ready. Now let's continue. Select the type tool once again. Let's add another text, but then let's change the font size. It's too big for us. So let's go with 10.8. Yeah, 10.8 is okay. And let's change the font to also. So let's go with a font called Montserrat. So with this one, we'll be going with Montserrat Extra Bold. Nice. So let's change the text. So let's go with Studio or Outdoor Session. Studio or Outdoor Session. Yes, okay. And then we would like to change the, okay, let's place it in the middle. Nice. And then let's change the color of the studio or outdoor session. Let's change it to a color code of FAD B37 and click on OK. I think, yeah, this is looking good. Let me push it up a little bit. Okay, push it down. Press Ctrl J to duplicate it. Drag it down. Change the color to white. And let's add this. Uncheck this side so that everything wouldn't be in capital letters. So uncheck this side. Now let's add the content beneath the studio outdoor session. So that one we have birthday. So birthday shoot. We also have product. So product shoot. The next one is wedding. So wedding shoot. And the last one is couple shoot. We have couple shoot. And then the spaces between these ones are too wide, so let's set it to okay. Let's push it this way, I think. Let me resize it. So with this particular one, with this particular text, we change it from extra bold to Montserrat regular. Oh yeah, let's go to Montserrat regular. Something like this, okay. Then close this. Yes, nice. So I'll place them here. Then I'll add and push it up. Let me increase the spaces between them. Like something like this. Okay. So now I'll add something like a bullet. So select the rectangle tool. Hold down the shift key to draw a perfect square. Something like this. Okay. Zoom in, place it here. Let's change the color of our square to this yellow color over here. Let's push it to the left side. Yes, okay. Now press Ctrl J to duplicate it. Then drag it down. Select these two square layers. Press Ctrl J to duplicate them. Put down the shift key. Left click and hold it. Then drag to the right side. Okay, so something like this is okay for me. I'll try and then clear this. Then add some space. Clear this and add some space. So select these 4 square layers and then name them bullets. Select this. Let's copy the name over here. Select these 3 layers. Press Ctrl J and then name them studio session. Studio outdoor session. Yeah. So let's place that one in the middle. Yes. It's also center align. Push it down. Open the group and then let's push this back up. Okay. Let me increase the size a little bit. Yeah. Now let's reposition it. So something like this is okay. Let me group this and then align them well. Now let's align it to the main way. Something like this is okay. Let's group this. Perfect. So now we've added our main text, that's the photo shoot. We've also added a couple of shoots that will be done over there. Now the next thing to do is to draw some attention. Let's draw the audience attention to something. So we'll be adding something like how do you call it? Something like book now. So select the rectangle tool. Let's draw beneath the studio session side. Left click and hold, and then just draw a rectangle like this. So let's go with something like this. So let's go with something like this. Now let's push the logo up. Let's align it here. Select the photo shoot main text and then the studio session. Push them up. Okay, that's nice. Let's change the color of this rectangle that we just created. So let's go with the yellow color and also push it up. So something like this is okay for us. I think, yeah, something like this is okay for us. What we do is duplicate the photo shoot text layer, then drag it down. Just drag the text down, press Ctrl T and resize the photo shoot text. Let's change its color to black. So let's pick the color from our background. Now let's change the text to book. Let's go with book now. Let's align it. Let's align it to our rectangle over here. Press Ctrl T and resize the text to book now. Copy the name, select both the book now text layer and then the rectangle layer over here. Press Ctrl G and then let's rename it to book now. So you know that this group contains the book now. This side contains the information beneath the studio session, and then here is our main text. I think you align them well. I think the spaces between them aren't the same, but then you align them well, don't worry. Okay, let's push it down. Now that we've added the book now, let's try and then let's add some information, maybe something like for more info, contact social and so. So with that, I'll duplicate this text over here. So open the studio session, select this, the birthday one, press Ctrl J to duplicate it, drag it up, close this group and then bring this one down here. So now let's push it down. So let's add something like for more info. So let's do it. Okay, let's turn this one off first. Open the group again, duplicate this text, the studio or outdoor session, duplicate that one too, drag it down, and then let's write for more info. So for more info, call or WhatsApp, and then we will add the contact details. So let's align it. Nice. So now let's add the contact details. So for more info, contact or WhatsApp, and then let's add the photographer's number. So WhatsApp. Let's add the photographer's number there. So the contact is 0545. For you, let's go with any. Okay, let's go with 0545 218 004. With this, let's change the size. So set the size to 27. So let's set the size to something like 27. Like these two layers and then align them well. Perfect. Let the contact push it down. So something like this is okay. Copy this side, select these two layers, press Ctrl G to group them, and then name them for more info, call or WhatsApp. So you know that this part contains the for more info text. Okay. Now let's add the social media handles. So I have them here. I'll just press Ctrl C to copy. Go back to the main worksheet and then press Ctrl V to paste. So now I'll just drag it down and then place it here. Nice. We are almost done. So now let's resize, like let's position them well. They are not well aligned. Let's put this one down. Press Ctrl G and name it SM. That's social media. Select the for more info group and drag it down. Something like this. Okay. Select the book now group. Drag them down. Okay, yeah, something like this. Okay. Select the studio session. Let's turn it off for now. Push the photo shoot, the main text. Let's push it down a little bit. Select the logo. Push the logo down. Something like this. Okay. Now turn on the studio session group. And yes, select the studio session group. Select the photo shoot and then select the logo. And click this side to auto align it well for us. Now let's push this part up. Something like this. Okay. Nice. And then we have the book now part also here. So book now. Select the for more info group. Hold down the shift key while moving so that it will move it in a straight line. So this is okay. Select the social media handles and push it up. So something like this. Okay. Nice. Now what we do is select all these groups, this, and then the photo shoot group over here. Press Ctrl G and let's name them info. So you know that this group contains the info. This group contains all our info over here. Let's select the models image. Push it to the right side a little bit. So something like this is okay. Okay guys, this is how to design a very beautiful photography flyer in Adobe Photoshop. If you like this video and then you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Also like, comment and share with others.